Hello guys, it's me, Jacob Oscar Fan 26. So guys, I start over again because my iPad's like upside down, and I don't know why. I'm not sure about that. So anyways, sorry I took so long because I need to go to school. And also, I gave him a yearbook. I gave him a yearbook at May 1st. And also, when we made dinner, it is like corn dogs. So yeah, I had corn dogs for now. I also like it with ranch. Sorry, I sounded like that because I'm tired. So anyways, that's a really so anyways guys, I can react to talking kitty cat, world's most spoiled cat. So yeah, it's today's video. Well, yes, it's like yesterday's video. So this is when Sylvester, the talking kitty cat, gets an unwanted present from his human slave, Random Kitty, and Gibson have been getting starved from wet food, and a new kitten finally arrives, all in the name of Flaggle Quackle. So guys, let's get into it. 3, 2, 1, go. What?
30 seconds, I promise. Why do you do this to me every time? Argue with me. I mean, just get off your lazy butt and come into the kitchen so I can... Kitty, this thing took me like over a week and a half to make. Wow, so just come
wow.
look at it, please. Kitty, it's for you. I made it as a surprise, and I hope you like it. But will you please just come in here and take a look at it for me? Alright, let's go.
Oh,
it's
wow.
a kitty cat denture. I made it just for you to replace your old tooth. So,
wow.
What do you think? It's dumb. Okay.
It's dumb.
I made it because I want you to have your tooth back. Yeah, Kitty, because you like it. So we just put this in your mouth, and then it'll replace your old tooth, and everything will be back to normal. What do you think? It's dumb. It's dumb.
It's dumb.
So you don't even want your old tooth back? No. Kitty, alright, fine. I'm gonna put it away for now. But we are gonna come back to this. At some point, Sylvester, you have to at least try it on. Kitty, look, I spent way too much time working on this. Will you just please try it? Yeah. Kitty, oh my goodness. I don't understand why Sylvester just won't try this. I worked so hard on it. I think
Yeah.
it's just one thing to look at with just that one foot there. It looks so strange.
Oh.
And then there's Random Kitty, who lately has just been pissed off at everybody who's strangest
No.
ever. Like earlier, I was
Yeah.
just asking her for advice, and she just, so I just need your advice. I made a little thing for Sylvester to put in. Stop it. What's wrong with you? Random. Ouch, jeez. Wait, there's something wrong with your paw? What is up with you?
Oh, he's like smacking him. He's like smacking him.
You know what? Never mind. I don't even want your advice. I don't know. Maybe she's just mad. You think she'd be in a better mood considering the fact that her grandkitten's about to come live with us. But I don't know. One thing with Sylvester.
Oh, wow.
He's going to try on that venture, whether he likes it or not. Anyway.
Oh.
Hey, what was that about? She was beating up on me earlier too. Did she just come up and hit you for no reason? Yeah. She's been acting crazy lately. Any idea what's wrong with her? Yeah, she hasn't had wet food all week. You're right.
What?
Since you lost your tooth, I've been giving all the wet food to you, huh? Yeah. I'm gonna make up for this, but in the meantime, Sylvester, you need to stand up for yourself. You can't just let other kitties come around and you don't have to actually stand up.
Not standing up.
It's just a figure of speech, that's all. Random Kitty. Hey, Random. Listen, I'm really sorry. Can we just talk about the... Great.
Oh my God. She doesn't want to talk.
Hey, I'm so sorry, Random Kitty. Your total oversight. It won't happen again. But do you think we should that too?
Uh-huh.
How you doing?
guess so.
Stop. Think about what you're doing. I know I have to put your paw down. You just stay here. I'm gonna go get you some. I'll be right back. Alright, one can for Kitty-san. Here you go, buddy. Again, I'm really sorry about that. It won't happen again, okay? Hey, slow down. Kitty-san.
No, it's like eat it fast.
Where's the power? See that, Sylvester? Are you gonna tell me what you did with it? Sylvester, this is not okay. Kitty, where is it? Here, diary. Month
February 23rd? Really?
Ever since I got rid of my tooth, I've been raking in 6 cans of wet food a day. The other day that the kitties weren't getting any wet food, but honestly, I don't care about them. It's not like they matter. Anyways, after my stupid fake tooth being in a safe place, I don't have to hear about it anymore. Hopefully the dog eats it. That's all for now, diary. It's time for me to go get my 6th can of wet food right about now. Sylvester, I can't keep giving you 6 cans of wet food every day. Why? Because it's expensive and there's not enough to go around. Why? Just think about the other kitties. Yeah, well, you can't be the only one that gets to eat all the wet food. Why? It doesn't even matter. We don't even have any. Why? I gave the last one to my son. Ew, mother! Welcome to your new home. Before you meet the rest of the family, let's make sure you know your way around the house. Come on, let's go. Okay, so this is the kitchen, and that's a corner. That doesn't make any sense. I mean, they each move like 10 times a day, and there's barely anything in the box. What is this? Are you kidding?
Oh,
Are you
no.
kidding? Sylvester!
Well, guys, that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you guys next video. Goodbye.